Galaxy Bearings Ltd, a taper roller bearings and cylindrical roller bearings manufacturer. With a market cap of 511 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,607 rupees per share. The company has a 35% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 42% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in year 1990. They are based in Rajkot, Gujarat, with more than 120 employees. With one manufacturing facility in same state. The company manufactures taper roller bearings and cylindrical roller bearings, which are used in segments like automotive original equipment manufacturers, industrial, defense, and state transport. Their current production capacity is 31 lakh bearings per annum. They have clients in both domestic and international market. The revenue concentration of the company from export is 75% and 25% from domestic market. When compared to fiscal year 2020, the revenue from exports have increased by 15% and decreased by 28% in domestic market. The company is now focused on expanding its footprint in domestic market. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. The sales of the company almost doubled in last 4 years. The company has a 95% CAGR for 3-year stock price. The quarter result of the company is also expected in few days. The promoters' holding of the company have slightly increased in the last 4 quarters, which is a good sign. We can see some domestic investments in the company. As of now, there are no foreign investments. Coming to some key highlights. Company received 1-star Export House certificate from Government of India for their export performance. They also received SME 1 rating from Small and Medium Enterprises Rating Agency of India. On a scale of 1 to 8, with 1 being the highest rating. The total assets of the company almost doubled in last 4 years. There are plans to increase production capacity from 31 lakh to 55 lakh bearings per annum. The company have experienced management team and manufactures more than 350 variety of bearings. They develop bearings for European vehicles like Volvo, Scania, Mercedes, Iveco, and more. They have global representative offices in Germany, Italy, Brazil, Turkey, UAE, and Russia. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.